Catch him where, yeah. There he is. No, hold on. He doesn't have it yet. He's got it now. Another little dink. That's true. I mean, we had some good ones, but those were at Russell. Yeah. Right at the roof of the mouth, right where you want to get them. Third fish so far for me. Another one on the black and blue senko. It's really, right now, we had a big rainstorm last night, so the water is like green. But somehow he's over there catching them like literally the same color as the water. I don't know how he's doing it, but I'm throwing a June bug color and he's throwing watermelon red, so it's working so far. Nope. Alright guys, wasn't recording. Back-to-back cast. Another fish there on the senko, probably the smallest one of the day. But there's literally like this little piling right here, and apparently there's some stacked up over there, so let's see if there's any more. Bye. Yeah, I'm liking this rod. Oh, that's a better one. You were saying? Okay, bull crap. This is definitely the biggest one so far. Gonna get a weight on him just because. Here's another biggest bass of the day so far on the black and blue senko. Get on a weight on him just because he's the biggest fish so far. I guarantee he's at least a pound. Yeah, get up there. Oh yeah, right on the dot, 1 pound. That's a giant, man. We were out here catching toads. This is a Nebraska brute. That's a big. This is 10 times bigger than a flare fish right here. Boom. Another bass there on the senko. Oh, there he goes. Hey, 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 hey. You want to get out of there? I'll help you. There you go. Another little bass there on the senko, right off this structure pile. Another bass on there, back-to-back cast. Tearing them up on the back-to-back cast today. But they are small. Little tiny dinks. It's about as big as they are. I mean, my biggest one so far has only been a pound, so. Another bass there on the senko. It's 8 for me now. Oh, and he choked it. Oh yeah, it's way down his throat. Gonna have to get the pliers. Oh, and he got my senko too. Now it's like a Ned rig kind of bait. Put me down to my last senko right there. Another bass, number 8 for me. God dang it. I'm out of senkos. Another bass there on the senko. There's another fish on the senko. Oh my gosh. This bass is so skinny. Oh my gosh. This is a skinny fish. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look how skinny that bass is. And this is a very unhealthy fish. He's got no meat on him. That is a very unhealthy. This fish could use some Obamacare. Number 11 for me. I'll get a weight on him just cause I'm interested to see how much he is. I mean, this would be probably a solid 1.5 to 2 pounder if he wasn't so poor. It's a poor fish. He's trying to get himself a little bite, but didn't work out too well. Yeah, that fish is struggling. He's only at 12 ounces. But this should be about a 1.5, 2 pound fish. I'm trying to get him back softly. There he goes. Another bass there on the senko. These bass are just loving this today. This is my 10th fish of the day. Yeah, he got it pretty good. Get a weight on him real quick. He's probably gonna be 3/4 pound to a pound. Oh, another pounder. Right on the dot. This one's a little bit skinnier, but still a solid senko fish. This is on the Yum. Oh, I guess I'm turning it into a Yum dinger, but I didn't have any senkos, so I had some swimming dingers, and so I just cut the tail off, and then that's what I'm using, and they're liking it. Right there. About a little 4-inch to 5-inch senko. Number 13. I think number 13. I think it's number 12. Yeah, I think we're at number 12. Little bass there. Number 13. These bass are liking the senko today. I think Brandon's just done. I feel bad for him. He's only caught 2 fish out of today, so I would honestly give him some of my fish because I would not want this happening to me right now. Number 13 on the senko. All came off the senko. And mostly they're all coming off structure, so like I said. Oh, hold on. Wait. He's on there. Yep, there we go. Fish to end on. Number 16. Oh, it's a better one. Oh yeah, that's a good fish to end on. This is about a 2-pounder.
Dude, awesome. Did you hear what I just said?
What?
Your brother just told me let's kill your good bearded dragon.
Yeah, how about you do that?
You want me to do that?
No.
Well, that's what you just said.
I was joking. I was being sarcastic. Brandon!
Hey, why do you have a man cave sign or a room in a boy?
That's in a what?
Why do you have a man cave sign in a boy's room?
Shut up. You can shut up.
Alright, buddy, I'll see you later.
Hold on. I want you to see how much this fish weighs, because this is my biggest fish so far.
Hey, do you have an Android charger?
No, but my brother might. Is it that Samsung stuff? Like a Samsung? Yeah, my brother should have one.
Cool.
Yeah, let's see. I'm thinking 2. This is good enough for it to be 2. Come on. Let's see. Get up there. 1 pound, 6 ounces.
Alright, babe, you should hurry up and come home.
I'm coming home right now.
Atta girl.
Hey, I'll tuck you in when I get there.
Okay.
All right.
Bye, babe.
Bye.